And this week I just decided I didn't want to deal with it, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. What is it called? Let's do this! Hi everyone, it's Diana and welcome back to my channel Eternal Glow, where I do reviews and tutorials about makeup and all things anti-aging. If you like videos on these topics, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notified every week when my videos come out. Today we're going to be talking about how to preserve your hair at night if you have waves or you're doing the curly girl method. I started doing the curly girl method in July, and this is not the curly girl method right here. This is a heatless curling method. If you'd like for me to show you a video on how I achieve this look in a heatless way, definitely let me know in the comments and I will do that video for you guys. So I started doing the curly girl method and it takes a lot of work and patience, and this week I just decided I didn't want to deal with it, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. I air dried it, did not use the what is it called? What is it called? The what is it called? The dryer, oh my god, diffuser. That's what it's called. I did not use the diffuser. I just let it air dry and it felt glorious. But I decided at night that I was going to do a heatless hair method. I wanted to preserve my curls, and this is also what I do when I do the curly girl method for, you know, shoulder length hair. It's super easy, but it's super helpful, and your waves will remain intact. Your waves and your budding curls. Sometimes I can get like the perfect curl, but it's a constant struggle to figure out how I got there and to have it be repeatable. In any case, whatever you decide to do, whether it's curly girl method or heatless, this is how to preserve your curls or waves at night.
To start, you're going to take a scrunchie and bring your hair all the way forward, gather it at the crown of your head, start gathering it up from the back and then from the front. Place the scrunchie on your hair, bring your hair through, and then gently pull it out with your hand and tie it one more time with the scrunchie.
And ta-da! You look like you're about to go to some kind of cool 80s party or something. It's kind of fun. If you have shoulder length hair like I do, you're gonna have a lot of hair falling out at the nape of your neck. But then what I do is I take any sort of clip and I just clip it back there, and that's only when I'm doing like washing my face or something in the bathroom. I also, hold on, I'm gonna go get the clips. Just one second. Okay, I'm back. So if you want to wash your face after you pull your hair back, what I would do, so it doesn't like fall in your face and get wet, because that would be preserving your curls. They would just go bye-bye. What I do is I just grab it at the back and I take one of these clips, duck clips, and I adjust it there, and then I go to the other side with another duck duck quack quack, and I put it on, and voila. And then after I'm done washing my face, I am putting my products on. Gotta put your skincare on. I let it go free. I let it go wild, and when I get in bed, I basically pick it up, put my head down, and I don't worry about these. I don't clip them, because then when you wake up, if you clip them, they kind of like stick out in the morning. So I don't clip them. I just let them lay low and sleep on them. These get flat a little bit, but whatever. I mean, you can barely see them back there, and if you really want to, maybe you could like curl them a little bit in the morning, but I don't bother, and it's fine. If you want to work out in the morning, you can keep your hair up and then take these little clippies like that. And just put your hair up and clip them in, and take another one and clip it on the other side so it's reinforced in both directions. And there you can see your neck. It exists, darling. Your neck exists. Alrighty, well, I think that's it. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, and if you're excited that your waves will not go flat at night, please say thank you by hitting that subscribe. I really do enjoy making these videos for you and having fun, because that's a big part of anti-aging too. Keeping it light. Let's do this. I do videos every week, so don't you worry. You're in good skincare, beauty, anti-aging, makeup hands. Hair too now. See you next time.